guys. I'm looking outside the back patio. Let's go in and see what we can find. This is the snow. I see some guys shoveling, or it appears to be shoveling snow. This is awesome. Wow, look at the car. My car. Hey guys. Oh my gosh, snow out here. It's crazy out here, man. Look at this. Told you I'll come back. Show y'all what's popping. What's up, guys? What's up? What do you think about this snow out here?
I love it.
It's crazy, right?
Yes.
Videotaping everybody shoveling snow right now. I love it. Is this your car? Which one's your car?
Mm-hmm.
That's your car?
Yeah.
Wow. Goodness. So that, like, how long does it take you guys to shovel this stuff out?
We came out the first one at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. 6 o'clock.
We just did the front of it.
Wow.
That was only like 15 minutes.
15 minutes. My goodness.
Doing the front again.
Do the front again, huh?
Hopefully don't have to go to work.
Don't have to go to work today.
Yep.
That's a good thing.
Taking pictures now so I can send them my boss.
There you go.
Don't
Taking
see me tomorrow,
pictures.
This is why.
This is why, right? Snowstorm. They haven't done anything out here.
No, they're probably waiting till it
Ridiculous.
stops.
What's your name?
Char.
Char. My name is Nate Davis. I'm just.
You in the complex?
Yeah, I live right over here, right across the street, right here.
Okay, you in the park, right?
Yeah, I'm actually
Okay.
snowed in right now. I'm snowed in. I just think it's great, but I just think it's like a mess right now. You know,
Are you
it's
from
terrible.
Delaware?
I'm actually lived outside of Wilmington for about 5 years, but I live in, well, I used to be from New York.
Okay.
Outside New York, so I'm used to seeing this. Yeah. It's great. Well, I'm just going around and just taking pictures and stuff. But
It's nice around there.
I know it is, yeah. Have fun. Good luck on your shoveling your car out.
Thanks.
All right, take care. Be safe. This is crazy. My neighborhood, man. I'm walking. Nice lady though. Very nice. She got on camera. Whoa! Just fell. See the ice and slush walking down. It's dangerous out here, y'all. Dangerous out here. Real crazy. It's my neighborhood. I'm from a long way from New York though. Feel me? Told you I'll show you more. The devastation of the snowstorm of 2010, February 9th. It's going down. Walking. It's life and times of Nate Davis. Snows. Look at the winter, man. It's nice out here though. It's like a winter wonderland out here. That's a cool car. Take a look at it. Hootie and the Blowfish, baby. We all live in the yellow submarine. Yeah. I just want to lay down in the